Intensive practice 4.2 question 3. So here they want us to simplify, right? Let's look at A. So we have 3 Surd 10 plus 5 Surd 10. So 3 oranges plus 5 oranges, we get 8 oranges. 8 Surd 10 lah. And B. 6 Surd 11 minus Surd 11. So this is 1 Surd 11 lah. So 6 oranges minus 1 orange is 5 oranges. C. Same thing, 13 oranges minus 2 oranges is 11 Surd 13. Done. A, B, C done. Right, let's look at D. D is a bit different. So it's not the same oranges anymore. Now one is orange, one is apple. Okay, so to solve this, we need to try to break it down. So 2 Surd 45. 45 is 9 times 5. So we can say Surd 9 times Surd 5. And 20 is 4 times 5. So I can say Surd 4, Surd 5. So Surd 9 is 3 and Surd 4 is 2. So 2 times 3 times Surd 5 plus 2 Surd 5. So 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 Surd 5 plus 2 Surd 5. Now we can do our oranges comparison. So 6 oranges plus 2 oranges, 8 oranges. Let's look at E. Make it smaller a bit. Okay. E. Same thing. So different sets. What we do is we try to break it down. So 27 is 9 times 3. So we can say Surd 9 times Surd 3. 72 is what? Okay. So a good indicator is on what we have to split it by is using the perfect squares. So 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 16, 25, 6 square is 36, 49, 64, 81, 100 and so on. So 72 is a number from here times another number. So 36 times 2 looks like you'll get 72. What we do is we say minus Surd 36 times 2. Right. So why we have to choose these numbers is because since these are perfect squares, we can square root them. So 3, 3, Surd 3. 36 will be 6. So 6 Surd 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 Surd 3 minus 6 Surd 2. This will be our answer. Done. Okay, F. Surd 18 plus Surd 27. Right. So same thing. 18 can be 9 times 2. So we say Surd 9 times Surd 2. 27 is Surd 9 times Surd 3. So Surd 9 is just 3. So this will be 3 Surd 2 plus 3 Surd 3. These two we cannot do anything now. Different sets. Apples, oranges. So this will be our final answer. Okay, same thing here. We can't simplify that further. Right. Let's delete this. Okay, done. Let's look at G. So G is 3 Surd 15. So 15 is Surd 3 times Surd 5 times 7 Surd 5. Ooh. Here 3 and 5 are not perfect squares, but when we get surd 5 and surd 5, we can multiply them since this is multiplied. Okay, so what we can do is we do this times 7 first. So 3 times 7 is 21. Surd 3. Okay, so 3 cannot do anything now. Surd 5 times surd 5, we can make it into 5. So 21 times 5 is 105. And then we have surd 3. So 105 surd 3. Done. H. 72 and 15. Okay, 72 again, same like the other question. 72 can be divided by 36. So we can say surd 2 surd 36 times 4 surd 15. So 15 is surd 5 and surd 3. Right. Okay, so now let's try to see what we can do. Surd 36 is 6. So you can say 6 surd 2 times 4 surd 5 surd 3. Actually, can't do much here. Okay, I think we don't have to do this lah. Let's just leave it as surd 15. There's no similarities. Right, so 6 times 4 is 24. 2 times 15 is 30. So we can bring this in one surd. So 24 surd 30. We can't simplify this further lah. That's it. Next, I we have surd 4 outside, so we have to expand it inside. So we have 2, or basically surd 4 is just 2, right? So it's just 2. So 2 times 2 surd 3 is 4 surd 3 minus 5 surd 3. So 4 surd 3 minus 5 surd 3. 4 oranges minus 5 oranges, negative 1 oranges. Okay, so we just say negative surd 3. Done. Right. Okay. So done. Few more. Let's look at J. So J, we have 7 belonging to this whole thing, so we have to expand. So you can say 3 surd 7. Then we have 7 surd 7 times 7 surd 7. So surd 7 will become 7. So we can say 7 times 7. So 7 times 7 is 49 plus 3 surd 7. So we normally write the number in front. Actually, it doesn't matter because anyway it's the same thing. But I just like to write the number in front. Done. Okay. Same thing, we expand. So 7 surd 5 minus 5. Surd 5 times surd 5 is just 5. So this is 7 surd 5 minus 25. Here you don't have to bring the number in front since it's negative, so you can keep it at the back. If it's positive, yeah, you can just bring it in front. Normally in exam, right, if you see the answer schemes, they like to keep the negative answer at the back, if possible. Okay, if this is positive, negative, you like to keep it at the back. But it doesn't really matter, it's still the same thing. You can write negative 25 plus 7 surd 5 also. Right, let's look at L. So here we have to expand. So 3 times 3 is 9. Then 3 times 5 surd 7 is 15 surd 7. Then this times this, we get 9 surd 7. This times this is 15 15. Surd 7 times surd 7 is just 7. Okay, so we can do 9 plus 15 surd 7. 15 times 7. We get 114. And then 15 surd 7 plus 9 surd 7 is just 24 surd 7. Okay, it's like 15 oranges plus 9 oranges. Done. All right. M. 7 times this, we get 21. 7 times this is 35 surd 7. And then this times this will be 15 surd 7. This times this is negative 25. Okay, 5 times negative 5 is 25. Surd 7 will be 7. Right. So 21 minus 25 by 7. We get negative 154. Negative 35 oranges plus 15 oranges is negative 20 oranges. Okay, this one surd 7, so you can add these two. Done. Okay, let's look at N. Maybe we make it a bit smaller. Okay. And same thing, you expand. So 7 times 3 is 21. Then 7 times this, we get negative 35 surd 5. This times this is negative 15 surd 5. Then this times this will be positive 25 times 5. Okay, 5, 5, 25. Surd 5 is just 5. Right. Then 21 plus 25, 5, 146. Okay. Negative 35 oranges minus 15 oranges. We get negative 50 oranges. Done. Okay, let's make some space for O. Alamak. M, N. Maybe I put N here. Okay, let's do O here. O is 112 over 7. Alright, so this one, the whole thing we can do over the same set. So 112 over 7 is 16. So surd 16 is 4. That was quite easy. Okay. Last three. P. Oh, I think this is last three quite easy lah. So this one, surd 12 over 108. We can put them in under the same set. So 12 over 108 is 1 over 9. So square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 9 is 3. Done. Q. Okay. So here we have surd 88, surd 11. So surd 88 is actually surd 8 times surd 11. Then we have 2 surd 11. Okay, I split it like this because we have surd 11 down here, right? So we can then cut. Square root of 8, we can split it. So square root of 8 can be square root of 4 times square root of 2 over 2. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8 lah. Then square root of 4 is just 2. So 2 and 2 we can cut, leaving us with square root 2. My pencil is about to die. Okay, let's finish this last one up. Right. 20 and Z5. So 20 can be written as Z5 times Z4 over 3 Z5. So Z5 we can cut. Z4 is just 2. So this one also we can simplify. 3 times 2 is just 6. Done. Okay, so you just have to simplify lah. That's it. Done.